What's going on, everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I got an announcement video for you. And this one, I'm going to be announcing my April giveaway. No, it's not April Fool's giveaway, that's why I totally told you guys about it in April 2nd, but it's just giveaway for the entire month of April. And for this giveaway, I'm giving away the one, the only Vegas Pro 17, a full copy of Vegas Pro 17. I'm super excited about this one, and I'm going to be opening it up to all of my video editor subscribers, all of reddit.com/r/Vegas Pro, and I even want to put it out there for the editors on the Vegas Pro forums. I want to take a quick moment to let you guys know about my other channels. I have Scrapyard Plays, which is a video game channel, and I do streaming and stuff like that. That's linked in the description. And then I'm also about to be starting back up Crayon Vlog, which is basically everything else. Behind the scenes cinematography, packs, cosplay, music, vlogging, just a bunch of general stuff. That's going to be on Crayon Vlog and Scrapyard Plays. So check out those channels in the links below, and maybe you'll enjoy that content too. So for this giveaway, I'm doing it a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing it on Gleam anymore, because to have some of the features Gleam offers, you had to have paid a lot of money a month or in a whole bulk year. So I didn't want to pay for that again. Plus, there have been people trying to cheat in giveaways, so I'm trying to really avoid that because I want this one to be as fair as possible. Like, I'm doing all these giveaways out of either generous donations or stuff I've paid for out of my own pocket. So for you guys to cheat and try to get multiple entries really does hurt and make me not really want to do giveaways. But I don't want one person to ruin it for everybody, so I'm just going to give you guys the benefit of the doubt and trust you to trust me to go ahead and do these fair and honest giveaways. So how we're going to do this one is you're going to go to scrapyardfilms.com. You're going to click the enter giveaway button. That's going to take you to the giveaways page of the website. And all you got to do is fill out that form and answer as much information on that form as possible. No, I'm not going to share that with anybody. That's just to help me verify who you are, because I'm going to be rigorously trying to figure out and make sure there's no bots or duplicate people. I want you to be a real live verified person who is going to appreciate this program if you win it. You'll notice at the very bottom of that subscription, it says, what comment did you enter on the YouTube giveaway video? That's this video right here. So enter a comment below just saying like, hey, I want to enter, or hey, I want to win, or thanks, or something like that, just so I can, link it up. The deadline for the giveaway is going to end on April 30th, which is a Thursday. And I'm going to be drawing and live streaming drawing the winner on Saturday, May 2nd. So if you want to be participating in the live stream, which is going to be a lot of fun because a ton of people show up, I'm going to be giving away maybe a few extra things, So it could be worth it to go check out this live stream, maybe put it in the calendar. Both liking and subscribing really helps me out, and I appreciate that. So thanks again, Scrappers, for being a part of the awesome community, for being subscribers. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited for this giveaway. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and good luck.